guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I have an appointment. I am gonna go get some I'm gonna do some self-care, that is some self-pampering before I head out for a trip. So I'll be heading to the saloon. My appointment's in 10 minutes and I'm heading to get my nails. Not my nails, why would I tell nails? So weird. I'm feeling weird because I've come alone and I can see like a lot of people seeing me. Probably it's because of the cap and yeah. So I have certain things to do, like I have to get my eyebrows done and then I have to do some self-care like waxing, and probably I'll see whether I have time to get a hair spa done, or also I have to go for a dentist appointment, which I hope I can make it. And everything's happening so soon. So yeah, so that's it. And I'm traveling to the US and it's kind of like it's a big thing for me. So that's why I thought I should come and tell you guys hi. So I'm heading there. So I'm going to the saloon. I will see you guys in some time. Yeah, so guys, I'm excited. You know what, I want to show you guys my outfit. Wait, I hope I can like put this here. I lost a ring, can you believe? It's so bad. Yeah, so I wore a cap. I came very randomly, and randomly I decided that I want to vlog. I mean, I have to get a full body wax, so that's why I just wore a hoodie and some jeans. I'm gonna show you guys. So that's about it. So can you believe what just happened? So my camera just gave up on me. The battery is low. Can you believe? So I'm logging on my phone. So we are heading to the saloon. And yeah, let's go have fun. Something light and nice because I had like milk, like a lot of junk in the afternoon, so that's why I think I want to like balance it with like a fruit bowl or something, so I'm gonna do that.